All you do.
Wait, I was close.
Happy Saturday. I got sucked into a Facebook ad. This is pretty dope. I've been so unmotivated lately. I feel like this might be the most relatable vlog I think I've ever done in life. Be gentle with yourself, bitch. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the vlog. I just woke up. I'm really not sure if my hair looks good or if it looks like a lion's mane. Cheers to that. We're gonna start this morning off with a talk. I don't know if anyone else is feeling this way. I've been so unmotivated lately, and I need your guys' help because I feel like I need some accountability. Normally, motivation is not hard for me. I'm a very driven person, so the fact that I'm feeling unmotivated, I feel like it's not normal. So specifically with working out and fitness, lately I've been really comparing myself to pre-quarantine COVID Alisha, who was up at 6, working out at 7, be showered and ready for the day at 9, and then here I am, it's 9:30, I'm so blind, 9:30, and I'm just ugh, I don't want to work out, but I know I'm gonna feel so much better if I do. I'm trying really hard to be gentle with yourself and realizing I can't compare myself to myself a year ago, you know, even though I really want to. I haven't talked about it much. And I know some people would still say oh, you're still killing it, whatever. But to me, I know I'm not my normal, I don't know. I've definitely gained some weight in quarantine, which is totally fine. I'm being very gentle with myself about that. It just feels hard to have motivation right now for anything. There's no trips to get ready for. There's no hot guys to impress. I've also filmed a few truth or drinks, and that's probably, you know, I think that's the real kicker. Point being, I don't feel my hottest, and you know what? I'm okay with that. I really do want to get back on my shit, you know? So I'm saying this to you guys because I need to say this out loud for myself. It's so funny because if it was someone else, if someone was to tell me they're struggling with feeling unmotivated right now, to me I'd be oh my God, you're so good. You'll get back on it, it's fine. I low-key was talking to my therapist. I had this realization, I really haven't been that anxious lately. My body probably now is just so exhausted from literally the past 6 months of being anxious every single day. I was wow, honestly, that makes so much sense. So again, be gentle with yourself, bitch. Sometimes I hate talking about this type of stuff on my vlog channel because I feel I need to have good advice that goes with deep talks, but sometimes I'm can I just vent? But I'm gonna get on the bike, and I know for a fact the next clip I'm gonna be oh my God, I feel so much better. So headphones on. I actually look crazy, but wow, I feel way better. Are you ready?
Yeah.
I spent $300 on this.
Okay. What did you get?
Open.
Chocolate milk? Almond milk.
You make your own fucking almond milk.
Shut the front.
All you do.
Wait, I was close.
All you do is you put water and almonds in there, and you literally in 2 minutes have your own fucking almond milk or oat milk or coconut milk. Yes. Can we try it?
Yeah. This was the extra 100.
She got the bundle.
Can I try it?
Yeah.
Make me coffee app.
Make me some.
Make me some
Both of
coffee
you.
app. I can't believe I'm vlogging this. I'm still kind of feeling blah. I am praying, and when I mean praying, I mean to fuck. I probably shouldn't cuss while I'm talking about praying. I am praying that my period starts very soon because that would explain the bloating. That would explain me just being a bitch today. I'm in that mood. Ashley could probably just pick up a banana, and in my head I'd be you know? Now the problem is if I don't start my period next week, then I have no excuse. It's fine, it's fine. So you get this today. I feel this might be the most relatable vlog I think I've ever done in life. This is not sponsored. I got fully influenced, which honestly, it really bothers me that I did this after watching The Social Dilemma for the 4th time last night. I got sucked into a Facebook ad they know me quite well. This little guy is a machine that makes your own oat milk, almond milk, coconut milk, anything. I know if it works. I hope it's great. I hope it's magical. Essentially, all you have to do is you put your almonds in here, then you fill it with water, and then you just press the button and it makes it. I've always wanted to make my own homemade like oat milk or almond milk, but I've seen people do it and it is so much work. I have no idea if this is gonna be good. All that's in this is raw almonds. You need 1 cup of unsoaked almonds, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, which is optional, and 1 tablespoon, oh no, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, that's fine, we got this. Maple syrup or a few pitted dates. That would actually be really good, like 1 date. Okay, now we have to fill this up to... Okay, I think it's ready. I think I literally just... Oh my God, it scared me. Wait, this is so cool. No way. What? Hold on. Okay, it's still going. It also came with this glass milk jug, so you can like put it in here every single time. I thought that was so freaking cute. I think it's done, you guys. No way. Oh. I'm scared to try it. It's not bad. I just definitely put too much water, so it's like kind of watery. Wow. I'm shook. This is pretty dope. I definitely need to kind of master it a little bit, but like how freaking cute is that? I should try this. I know. I did great.
Why is it so good? It's very sweet.
A masterpiece, that's all I'm gonna say.
Is that the sweet? Is the sweetener in there?
Yes.
Did you add sweetener?
Just trust the process. It's the cup. I look so, but I'm too lazy to actually get ready. Also ordered this online. This is the Alfred Chagachino blend. They literally sell it online. I have to say it tastes exactly the same as it should. Freaking love it. I put like a tablespoon in here. But yeah, if you're curious, they actually do sell this and it's be good. Okay, here's the fit. Today I'm wearing Ashley's SoulCycle merch jacket thing, Aritzia shorts, and then Nike socks, of course. And then I'm also wearing this necklace. It's a reworked like Prada lock. Remy actually got Ollie and I the same necklace as a thank you for helping her with like her channel rebrand and stuff, and it seriously was the sweetest thing ever. Happy Saturday if anyone else is having a lazy ass Saturday like me. Okay, literally just saw that Ava and Tila posted a truth or drink video and I am living. I just finished Tila's and now I'm starting Sierra's. So freaking good. Like, can we make that a trend? Obviously, if you're over the drinking age. Anyways. Today is actually 2 years of Pretty Basic. I cannot believe we've had our podcast for 2 years. I'm just like, it's insane. I feel like I've grown so much since we even launched, and I genuinely feel like a lot of that has to do with the podcast and everything, and I just like can't thank you guys enough for literally listening in on our lives. Pretty Basic is still in like the top charts, which is insane. We came out 2 years ago. I can't thank you enough. That's genuinely. Chloe wants up, my coffee's in her way. So sorry, baby. Come on up. Show everyone your haircut. Oh, just kidding. So yeah, that was really exciting and it means so much. I feel like I've been having a lot of sponsorships lately on the vlog channel. I feel so grateful and they all just kind of came out of nowhere. I do just want to let you guys know that like I am so aware of that, and I am actually planning a lot of stuff for Vlogmas that I can really use a lot of that money that I've made from recent sponsorships and put in back to like Vlogmas and stuff for you guys. So I have a few different ideas. I have a few intro ideas. Okay, I have a lot of editing to do, so I think I'm gonna go downstairs, knock out tomorrow's vid. It's pretty much done. I just have like very minor things to do to it. And then after that, I really just wanna like crawl back up here and, you know, watch some YouTube videos or something and do nothing at all. Get excited for content coming up. I promise I won't be in a bad mood in every vlog. Yeah.